Welcome back to the channel, guys. Easily Speed here. So today I'm gonna go over the 5 top common issues for the Audi A4 B8. So I'm basing all my opinions, I'm basing everything on what I've experienced through the 4 years of ownership of my A4, as well as going through a lot of the community forums and what they go after. So one of the first issues I ran into is the timing chain. Mine jumped at 130,000 and cost me $3,700. That was kind of the first issue I ran into with the B8 A4. I had owned the car since 60,000 miles. And then it started misfiring, sounding like an LS motor to it, kind of like a choppy sound. So, and then all your valves are basically destroyed because it slaps the piston. So you'll have the entire top and the end of the engine destroyed. So number 2, these Audi A4 B8s, as well as the S4s, because I know one of my friends, he owns a S4. He has piston issues where the Audis are actually burning oil, where I'm putting in about a quart a month. So number 3 is gonna be water pump. This was actually so bad of an issue on the A4 B8s that there was a legal battle recently. So this legal case is actually still ongoing. So I'll leave the link down below and see if your car is eligible if you own a B8. Didn't mean criteria because my car has a ridiculous amount of mileage on it and is going on 10 years old. So my car is 10 years old and I can't get any warranty work. So at number 4, another common issue that I've ran into as well as the forums is the sunroof. The actual drainage gets clogged, and if it gets clogged, it will destroy your entire headliner, so it sags in the rear. So this one I've actually never ran into. Speed wobble is one of the big things that I see really often. I've actually never experienced it, neither has my friend with the S4, and we both take really good care of our cars. So the speed wobble is commonly caused by hard braking, which I've had, but I replaced the brakes and I'll show you. So this is the drilled and slotted brakes that I upgraded to. So this issue is just something as simple as a faulty power steering hose. That's really all it is. So if you think I missed anything, drop it down in the comments below. If you already haven't, like and subscribe. Cause I'm hungry, go to Five Guys, spend like 25 on my lunch. I'm a high guy, and that shit is expensive. I'm not worried about